What's going on, guys? This is Sensei Bongso once again. So welcome to our new video tutorial. So today we're going to make a mug. Yung mug na gagamitin natin is a magic mug wherein kapag nilagyan nyo na siya ng hot water, so dun mag-a-appear yung image or design na nilagay natin or ginawa natin. This is a client quest. It's for birthday, 50th birthday ng kanyang husband. So it's a giveaway. So we're gonna make 20 or 15 mugs. Yeah guys, so just stick around and watch the video. So let's open our Adobe Photoshop right now, guys, para gumawa tayo ng ito yung ating template. Gagawa tayo ng design para sa mugs. Double-sided yung ating mug. Ito yung center niya, left side and then the right side. So ang gagawin natin, since na personalize yung mug na ni-request natin, so ida-drag natin yung photos na kinakailangan nating i-edit, and then after that drag natin sa ating Photoshop, and then nag-request rin siya na kinakailangan gusto niya yung single lang. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, since na meron siyang kasama, pwede natin siyang i-drag. So ito yung photos na ating i-edit. So ang gagawin natin para i-crop natin siya, yan. So yan yung photos na i-upload natin. So make sure lang, guys, na pasok siya sa square. That should be good. Okay, and then after that, remove lang natin yung mga extra na lumampas sa ating. So layer 10 siya. Kasi tayo ito yung previous kasi na ginamit natin, guys. And then after that, as you can see, medyo over yung brightness na. Adjust lang natin yung kanyang levels or curves. So pwede kayong gumamit sa levels, pwede rin sa curves. So much better. Okay, then after that, mag-a-add tayo ng text. Gawin natin, lalagay yung requested ng customer is happy, ating malaki H. Gagawa tayo ng tatlong text. Happy 50th. So sineparate ko, guys, yung text niya para mas madali siyang i-edit or i-align. Happy 50th birthday. Okay, so make sure lang na nasa pasok siya sa ating square here para hindi siya hindi siya lumabas. So sa pag nasa mug kasi na siya, guys, is mahirap na siyang i-adjust. Kung nasa dulo siya, minsan is may possibility na hindi even yung heat na napoprovide. Kaya minsan kapag lumampas siya dito, so hindi na siya masyadong okay, happy 50th birthday. Then after that, lagyan natin siya ng stroke. Gawin natin itim. Then size ng stroke, gawin natin 5, or let's make it 10, or just 8 maybe. Then after yung effect nito, copy natin out, lagyan natin sa birthday, out, lagyan natin sa 50th. Okay, then after that, pwede rin natin siyang palitan ng text, I mean ng font. Hanap lang tayo ng mas simpleng font, yung panglalaking font, guys. So Transformers. One of the natatagalan rin yung project, guys, is because na yung sa fonts, pagpili sa color na pagpili, mahirap na mag-decide, guys. Pero for this one, hanapin lang natin yung pinakasimple. So what do you think, guys? Then after that, lalagyan rin siya natin ng background. Kapag gold siya, it's kasi 50th birthday, so usually gold. Like, I don't know, guys, how about this one? Hold shift and then drag. Gusto kasi medyo male yung character na yan. Okay, ito na lang, and then change natin yung kanyang curves. Gusto ko lumabas yung pagka-gold niya. There we go. There we go, guys. So medyo blue na siya. I mean a gold. And then yung birthday, pusod natin, taas natin. Exposure. Oopsie. Yan yung design natin, guys, sa mug na gagamitin. So sa background niya, here 14, lagyan lang natin siya ng konting blur, Gaussian blur. That's too much. Yeah. And then that's it, guys. Isa-save lang natin siya. File as save as. Save natin siya sa JPEG. And then 50th mug. Then save natin siya sa my mugs. Okay, and then that's the mugs, guys. So ang gagawin lang natin siya, so yan na yung design natin, guys. Okay, and then after that, print natin siya sa ating sublimation na printer, and then we'll go from there. And then after that, meron tayo ditong mga templates pang dalawahan. So ito yon. Ang gagawin natin, yan yung ginawa natin last Christmas. Ang gagawin lang natin is drag natin dyan. There you go. And then Control J. Then drag rin natin yung isa dito. Okay, and then hide natin yan, and then highlight natin yung dalawa, and then after that image flip horizontal natin siya. Okay, so pag mag-print tayo horizontal, i-flip natin siya, guys, kasi yung pag dinikit natin siya sa mug, so hindi siya yung may print yung ididikit natin sa mug, so dapat naka-flip siya. Ito yung didikit, and then yung kakalabasan niya is yung correct na image. Okay, so we're just gonna send this to the client kung gusto niya, kung ano, edit lang natin. Okay, guys, so sinend natin sa kanya yung output, but she decided na dagdagan pa ng kanilang family photos. So what we did is separate natin yung kanyang husband in a single photo on the left side or right side, and the family photo is on the other side. So ito yung final output na ipiprint natin. So sinenda natin siya guys sa printer, sa ating sublimation printer. Yung ink na ginagamit natin is hindi siya regular ink guys, just to let you know. It's a sublimation ink, hindi siya regular ink. Ang ginamit natin is sublimation paper, which is an A-sub paper. Mabibili niyo po yun sa Amazon. At saka sublimation ink, pwede rin natin siyang mabili sa Amazon, pero usually kumuha tayo sa Amazon. So ginawa natin is high quality na settings ng ating printer, high quality, at saka yung photo paper is matte yung ginamit natin. Then after that, patuyuin din natin siya ng konti, ng about 1 to 2 minutes para dry na yung sublimation ink. Yung difference ng sublimation ink, hindi siya matingkad yung kulay, medyo yung color niya is hindi siya matingkad. Lalabas yung tunay na kulay niya kapag na sublimate na natin siya or na bake na natin siya sa ating item. So ngayon is kinakat natin siya into 2 piece. It's because na dalawa yung ating pwedeng gamitin sa isang sublimation paper para makasave tayo at hindi maaksaya yung ating sublimation paper. Okay guys, so ito na yung ating sublimation na image na gagamitin natin. So we divided it into 2 para mas madali at also para mas mabilis, and para rin tayo makasave ng sublimation paper is babalik na rin natin upside down yung mug. So we have black and red mug. So first yung gagamitin natin is yung red mug. So baliktad from upside down siya, and then since na naka-mirrored siya, so ang output niya is yung tama. So once na narap na siya sa mug, make sure lang na tight siya at wala siyang loose air. So prepare your heat tape. So mas maganda kung naka-prepare na yung heat tape ninyo, may mga cut na heat tape ka na para mas madali. So one of the things na dapat nating tandaan is dapat naka-preheat na yung ating machine, 365 degrees Fahrenheit in 120 seconds. So press lang natin siya ng tamang press lang. So be careful guys sa pag-press para hindi siya masira. Okay, so 120 seconds, hihintayin natin yon, and then yung machine natin magbi-beep after 120 seconds. Make sure lang guys na meron kayong mga protection para sa kamay ninyo, like for example ng silicone gloves or any path holder na magagamit nyo to avoid burns sa inyong kamay. So safety first pa rin tayo. Yung ating heat press at saka mag press ay kinuha rin natin siya sa Amazon. So it's a 3-in-1 machine. Pwede siya sa heat press. Ito yung kanyang cord, napapalitan siya ng mag press, at saka pwede rin siyang heat press. Yung brand niya is Better Sub. So around $300 siya guys sa Amazon na pwede nyong bilhin to start out ng small business. Okay, then guys, we just need to wait ng timer natin. So it's 0 now. Press off lang natin yung ating timer. Careful lang tayo guys. As you can see, mainit siya, nagsusmoke siya. Once na nag-smoke siya guys or nag-steam, dun is ibig sabihin yung ink is dumikit na sa ating mug, so na-sublimate na siya. So again, let's do again another mug. So we're gonna make 15 pieces of mugs. So open na natin siya. there you go guys, that's first sublimation in our magic mug. So as you can see, it's really vivid, maganda yung pagka-sublimate niya, kitang kita yung image, hindi siya, na-sublimate siya ng maayos, even yung pag-transfer ng kanyang image. So as you can see, red siya guys kanina, ngayon is nakikita nyo is merong lumalabas na parang white. It's because na kapag uminit yung magic mug na yan, is lumalabas yung image na nilagay ninyo. Okay, so let's do another one again. Make sure lang na tight siya ulit, higpitan lang natin. So ito na yung mga nagawa nating mugs. As you can see, meron tayong black then, and then meron din tayong red. So gumagawa lang tayo guys hanggang ma-reach natin yung 15 mugs na requested ng ating client. So same procedure pa rin yung ginagawa natin. Make sure lang na mahigpit at saka prepared lang yung ating heat transfer. So let's fast forward this guys. And we're all done guys. So ito yung output ng ating ginawa, black and red, para sa giveaways. Yan yung red, yan yung left and right. So yeah, that's everything guys. So I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. So this is Sensei Bong once again, signing out.